Most bridesmaids' proposal boxes get forgotten. This is how you make sure yours doesn't. Some proposal ideas are cute, but let's be honest, they're probably generic and a lot of the items end up tossed out. But asking someone to be a bridesmaid is a big deal. It's more than giving a gift box. It's another way of saying, I can't imagine this day without you. So today, I'm creating a Pinterest-worthy proposal box filled with engraved gifts that are elegant, useful, and meaningful. Things they'll want to keep long after the wedding is over. And the best part, you don't have to spend a fortune to make it feel luxurious. Our first project will be the centerpiece of the box, an engraved champagne glass. It's a symbol of celebration and elegance, and as a personalized keepsake, your bridesmaids will be sure to cherish this. Using the Resparked Customizer Pen, I'm going to first check the instruction manual to make sure we're using the right bit and speed for glass. Next, since I'm helping the bride make these boxes, I'll sketch out her bridesmaid's name using a black marker. Something feminine, but not too fancy. These two have known each other since they were little girls and have a special bond, so I think this will be a really sweet package when it comes together. Then I turn on the engraver to the recommended speed and using the ball bit, begin engraving the name. One tip for this project, do the first pass of engraving, then go back in with a smaller ball bit and thicken the downstroke of each letter to give the name more contrast. You can also clean up the edges of your engraving with smaller bits. We could leave this as is, but I'm going to take things up a notch by adding gold rub and buff to make this pop. Just put a small amount on a Q-tip and buff it into the engraving, then wipe it away. And ta-da! It's a pretty keepsake and a great conversation starter, something your bridesmaid will cherish for years to come. For our second project, I'm going to engrave this perfume bottle. It's her favorite scent, the size is perfect for a fun layout, and it'll be a sweet reminder every time she uses it. Since we're engraving on glass, the process is the same as the first project. Just sketch the design, use a ball bit and speed of 1, and begin. Remember to take your time and go slowly. It's best to use light pressure because you can always go back and refine strokes. The engraving against the pink perfume already looks so lovely. I'm not sure this requires any rub and buff. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Rub and buff, yes or no? And here's the finished bottle. It's an elegant gift with a cheeky twist. For our third and final project, I'm going to take this wooden hairbrush from basic and boring to bridesmaid worthy. Since it's new material, let's double check the instruction manual first to make sure we're set up for success. I've already sketched a design with a white chalk pencil, the bridesmaid's initials with some pretty leaves, and we can start engraving from here. Wood is a really popular material for engraving, but it's best to use light pressure. Don't press down too hard or you'll create uneven grooves that you can't undo. And here's the final result. A simple but beautiful and practical keepsake for your bridesmaid that she'll be sure to use every day. And now let's set our special champagne glass in the center and build around it. Next, we'll insert the perfume bottle, followed by the personalized hairbrush. You can include as many or as little items to create something truly unique for your bridesmaids. Some cute ideas could be an aromatic candle with her zodiac sign, self-care scrub, compact mirror, heart leather charm made with a Resparked leather kit, and her favorite lipstick. The engraving ties everything together and instantly makes the entire box feel premium and personal. Then we'll just wrap it with a bow and add our handwritten letter to finish us off. If someone gave me a box like this, I'd absolutely say yes to being their bridesmaid. If you're planning a wedding, I hope this gave you some inspiration for making a proposal box extra swoon-worthy for those friends who stood by your side since the beginning of your true love story. So let me know in the comments, which idea was your favorite? And if you enjoyed this project, be sure to like, subscribe, and save this video for later. I'll see you in the next one.